Konnichiwa. That's Japanese for hello. And today in this video, I'm going to be discussing variables in C++. So now, what's a variable? A variable can be defined as a named storage location on your computer memory that stores the desired data in the memory. So to declare a variable in C++, we type the type of the variable. So type int, which stands for integers. I'm going to cover this soon. Int x equals 20 and semicolon. So this is how you declare a variable. So when we print the value of x, save it, and when we run it, you should see that it prints 20. So 20 is the value of x. Let's make another variable. Int y equals 10 backslash end line. Make sure you have your semicolon at the end. Then character output y. Save it and run it. This is the value of x and this is the value of y, 2010. So let's make another variable called sum. Int sum equals x plus y. So we can delete this and make sure you have your semicolon at the end. You can delete it, character output, sum, save it and run it. You should see that it prints 30 because the sum of 20 and 10 is 30. So now let's discuss integers. So integers in C++ are what we use to store whole numbers. So we do that with the int. Then how about a whole number like age? Picks a random number, maybe 14. Character output age. Save it and run it. You should see that the value of age is 14. And now let's see what other whole numbers are there. And let's see. Score 100. When we go to make a new line, then print out the value of score. What is the problem? Score. Oh, sorry. I forgot to assign it with the equals. There, that should work. Then score will be equals to 100. So those are integers. Another are doubles. So there are situations where we need to deal with fraction numbers. So we can do that with the help of the double. How about GPA, your grade point average, 3.4. When we print the value of GPA, add your semicolon, save it and run. You should see that it outputs. So you might be thinking, what happens when we store a decimal within an integer? So let's check it out. So when we change the data type to int, you see that it only outputs 3. The decimal portion is truncated. So just change that back to a double, save it and run it. the decimal portion is retained. So how about temperature? Double temp for short equals 500 plus 30. That's really hot. So make sure you add your semicolon. Then save it and run it. Oh, sorry, I didn't print it. And temp. Save it and run. You see that it prints it. So another could be, which other data type is there? Chars, which are short for characters. In a char data type, we can only store one value, and you can only store the value within double single quotes. So char grade could be, hey, I got an A in my math test. I just lied to you. So grade, save it and run it. You see that it prints. So let's try putting another value in it. How about a B? Save it and run. You should see that it returns an error. Warning, overflow in conversion from int to char, change values. I don't know what that means. So you can only store one value in a char. And let's see which other data type is there. Of course, booleans. So booleans are data type that have only two values, true and false. So to do that, we type bool, short for boolean. Then let's see, is student equals true, because I am a student. Then when we print the value of is student, you should see that it outputs 1. You might be thinking, why is it outputting 1? In C++, once it's true, it returns it as 1. And then if it's false, it will return it as 0. You see? It now returns it as 0. So take notes. True is 1, then false is 0. And alright everybody, that's it. Those are variables and data types in C++. If you liked the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. That will really help. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.